So, good morning, YouTube. I just woke up about an hour ago. I'm on the fence about this video, for today's video. Um, I'm on the fence about today's video. For those of you guys who want to comment on the way I say video, whatever. As you can see from the title, I'm going to have to show you what this new setup is going to look like. But I haven't quite unveiled or showcased what my new car is. I'm pretty sure you know what it is, but I haven't officially showed you what it looks like, what color, blah blah blah, and all that things. Anyways, you know what? I'll just wait for when the weather gets better, it's sunnier and warmer out. Be able to get some nice shots, B-rolls of my car. In the meantime, it'll stay a semi-secret or a semi-surprise. I just had a little quick breakfast, as you can see over there. I'm at my hotel. I will be driving down to my parents' house, our home in Markham. So the wheels I have on my car right now were kind of like experiments. I want to say it was for a BMW. I think it was an M3 or an M2. I could be wrong. Got it a few years ago from a friend, mounted it on my car, looked really nice. It really completed the look with how it looked. It really completed the look with how it looked. It really filled in the wheel wells. It was beefy, had beefy tires. I was able to get a really great deal from this guy. His name is Will. Lives in Young and Egg, and I could say that because he did say he was going to be moving when I bought the wheels from him. Anyways, great guy in the FK8 community. I guess I'll tell you what car I'm pretty sure you know what my car is, but in the FK8 community he also had a white FK8, and he told me, you know, fitment was perfect. It's actually the Superspeed RF03RRs. Really great in pictures. When I picked it up, it was perfect condition. Just minor wear and tear here, but that's normal. He only had it on his car for a season, and he didn't use it even all season. He probably put 5,000 kilometers, probably. I'm not even sure. But anyway, super cool dude. Gave me a great price. Went over there to Young and Egg, picked it up with my pops, loaded it in his truck at the time. So shout out to you, Will, if you're watching. Appreciate it, you man. And thanks for looking out. He also gave me his lug nuts as well as the hub rings that you need in order to have it sit perfectly on the car. And then next, shout out to Exclusive Wheels and Tires. My dad has been going to you guys for a bit now, and he says you guys always offer great service. Check them out. They're out in Ajax, hence why I'm gonna have to be doing a lot of driving today. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna go over, drive home, my parents' house, put my wheels in his truck. I think he also has an appointment with the shop. That's why he wants to come with. But yeah, the real reason why I wanted to update my winter wheel setup is it's only January. We're for sure gonna get at least 1 or 2 more winter storms, and many more days of snow, which I'm not really a fan of, but hey, we live in Canada, so it is what it is. We have seasons and we gotta live through the seasons. Anyways, my girlfriend and I are travel nurses, and you know, we're currently on a travel contract where we work Monday to Friday out here, which is where I'm currently at right now, and then we drive home on the weekends. Thus, we do a lot of traveling, and I wanted to just make sure for peace of mind that I had winter tires that were fairly new, and that I had no issues if it ever snowed pretty crazily, because I do daily my Type R FK8. I daily my FK8. So yeah, just enjoy. It's gonna be a quick video. I'm just here to show you what my current setup is like, and then yeah, I'll show you what the final product is once the wheels are on the car. Again, I just want to take it to the shop to make sure there aren't any issues. For sure fitment is going to be fine, because again, it was on the same car. But yeah, just wanted to make sure everything was good before I take it back out. Peace.